katoa ko Tema Hemi tōku iwa, mo Ratana pāhau, te iwi Morehu te iwi, tēnā koutou katoa. Kia ora mai e te whānau. As I said before, my name is Tema Hemi. I'm from Ratana. I'm a member of Te Reanga Morehu, and as mentioned before, I'm also one of the tutors, one of 4 tutors of Te Ropu Kapahaka o Te Reanga Morehu o Ratana. I'm also an audio engineer and work as a breakfast show announcer at one of our local Māori radio stations in Moanui, Awe FM. And it is a privilege and an honour to be before you at this present time. I've been asked just to give a bit of a profile on myself. Well, I grew up here at Ratana, as mentioned before. I was schooled here at Ratana, Te Koro o Ratana. My mother is currently the principal at Te Koro o Ratana. But I have strong links to the north, to the far north. My mother comes from Mangakahia, Parakau, and my father comes from Kaiwa. So I have strong links from the north, and it's through my strong links from the north that I've grown up with a strong belief and a strong whakapono within our faith in terms of Te Hahi Ratana. I'm very passionate about our faith and our hahi, and I'm very passionate about everything that I do for our hahi in terms of my mahi as a reo member, tutoring kapahaka, and also what I do as a profession. So I suppose for myself, you know, all the skills that I have has really contributed to where I am today. I've had many successes in terms of kapahaka at regional and as well as national levels. And you know, it's through my upbringing through the church really that has really educated me in what I do today. I suppose it's a combination of my mahi in music and the reo, and of course my mahi within kapahaka, where I've been able to combine both, and it's sort of helped to develop me in terms of my character and personality into the person that I am today. Just recently, our Ropu Kapahaka has competed at the national kapahaka competitions, Te Matapi and Rotorua. We did really well. Out of 41 teams, we placed 15th, 7 points away from the top 9. That's probably the best we've ever done at that particular competition. And as my co-tutor had informed our people last night, you know, it was all our bracket was based on our maramatanga, and for years, the 10 years that we've been attending the Matatini Festival, it has been an ongoing climb or ongoing struggle to get the word of our maramatanga out there amongst our people, and we definitely feel that this year we made big strides in trying to you know, bring that kaupapa to fruition, and we feel as tutors and as Morehu that you know, our people, our Māori people, and not only starting to open their eyes but their hearts to what we have to say and our kaupapa that we carry. So that's a big accomplishment, not just for us as Te Reanga Morehu o Ratana, but for Te iwi Morehu Nui Tonu. We know of all the struggles that we've had in terms of our beliefs in Māoritanga and our beliefs in Morehutanga, and it feels finally that we're able to bring both together, and it's able to sit in unison and sit in peace with one another. So that's a real big stride for us as Te iwi Morehu, and I feel that's something that's going to get better in time as we keep going back more and more and delivering this kaupapa to the iwi. I feel you know, more people will be coming around and starting to open their hearts towards our kaupapa.